Okay, greetings, grade 10. This is the problem I'm given. They said, help us with this problem. Number one, we are told that ABCD is a palm and BH bisects ABC. BH bisects ABC. That means this angle and this angle are equal, okay? And they said HC. Here is HC bisects BCD. Okay, this one and this one are also equal. That's what we are told, and we are told that ABC is 60. So since you are told that it's 60, that means here it's 30 degrees and here it's 30 degrees, right? Then they went to tell us that angle F, this is 120 degrees. So since it's 120 degrees, then that's what we are told. And we are told of BH being prior to GC. We are told that one, and it's indicated. BG is prior to, okay, we are told that one. And AD is produced at E. This, guys, is very important. Whenever it is produced, it's either we have two things: exterior angle of a triangle, or a what? An angles on a straight line. That is very important for us, guys. Okay. Now let's continue. Then they said to us, AB is equals to DE, which is equals to 30 centimeters, and BC is produced at F. Guys, this statement comes back again. Since it's produced, it's either an angles on a straight line and so on. Okay, so now let's try and prove what they have asked us to prove. Number one, we now know that what they are asking here, it's already a palm. So number one, we are going to say BGCH is a palm. Is a palm. Why do we say it's a palm? It's because we are told that BH is parallel to GC. Okay, that's what we are told. Number one. Number two, we can now work with what we have, like this one. When we say ABC is equals to 60 degrees, and this was what? This was given, guys. Okay, so since it was given, let's work with that one. That means B1 is equals to B2, which is equals to 30 degrees, because what? BH bisects it bisects what? It bisects ABC. Okay, then we continue again and check another one. Okay, now we know that if it's so, and we know that this is also a palm, because ABCD is a palm, right? Since ABCD is a palm, that means what? That means also we know that these two lines are parallel. Hence, if they are parallel, we know that angle, we can find angle, what do we call it? Angle BCD to be 120 degrees. Why? Because these are co-interior angles. Okay, if they are co-interior angles, we know that what? AB is parallel to what? To DC or CD. Okay, that means we know that C1 is equals to C2, which is equals to 60 degrees. That's because HC bisects BCD. Okay, that is what we know, guys. Okay, then we can now look at the sum angles of a triangle to find angle H2, which is 180 degrees minus 30 degrees minus 60 degrees. This is a sum of an interior angles of a triangle. Sum of the interior angles of a triangle, and then H2 will be 90 degrees. So if H2 is 90 degrees, therefore obviously we have proven that therefore BGCH is a palm. Sorry, it's a rectangle. Sorry, rectangle. How so? Because the properties of a rectangle are like these, guys. 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. So that's what we have just proven now to be true. Okay? So that is very important. Okay? Then now we continue from them and we do number B. That was number A. On number B, they said prove that DCFE it's a what? A rhombus. Okay? If it's so, what are we told about that one? Is we're told that F is equals to 120 degrees, and this was just given to us. Okay? If it was given, and we know that C1 plus C2 is equals to 120 degrees, right? And this was what? Proven above or calculated above. Okay, therefore it means that angle F is equals to angle C1 plus C2, right? Therefore if it's so, that means D what? DC, let me check. Yes, DC is parallel to FE. DC is parallel to FE. Why? It's because of the corresponding angles. Corresponding angles that are equal. Okay? Therefore, if it's so, that means also we know that AD, you remember AD is parallel to what? To BC. You remember that one because that was the palm, right? AD is parallel to BC, right? And that was a what? That was a palm. It's because A, B, C, D was a what? Was a palm or is a palm. Okay? If we have so, that means we know that what do you know? What do we know from them? We know that ADE is a straight line. Yes, that's a straight line. And BCF is a what? Is a straight line, right? BCF is a straight line. Okay, so let's write that one down. We know that ADE, we write ADE and BCF are straight lines. Okay, that was given, guys. Where do you take that? Say it was given. Okay, now if it was given, then we can now work with what is given, right? Because here we can now say that DCEF is a what? It's a parallelogram. So we can say D C F E. F E is a palm. How is it a palm now? The opposite sides are what? The opposite sides are what? Are parallel. You know that, right? Because this side and this side are straight line, and this were parallel. So that means this one and this one are now parallel, right? So that is what I'm trying to say. That means since they are parallel, now we know that DC is what? It is 30 degrees. DC is equals to 30 what? They told us 30 centimeters. So it's 30 centimeters. Okay. Why? This is an opposite side of a what? Of a palm. Remember, in a palm, the opposite side are equal. Okay. Therefore, DE is equals to DC, which is equals to 30 centimeters. Okay. That means now we can conclude that DCFE is a what? A rhombus. A rhombus. How is it so? So it's because of the reason that DCFE is a what? Is a palm. Palm. Okay. And with what? With adjacent sides. Adjacent sides that are equal. Okay, so remember, when you speak of a rhombus, here it's a rhombus. Okay, it has something like this. Okay, and remember, these are equal. Okay, so that is a what? A characteristic of a rhombus. Okay, so this is how we prove such a problem. Guys, it is important that you bring back the information they've given you so that it makes sense to what we are doing. We know we are given here, but we have to also bring it back as it is, that we were given this and we were given this. Okay, thank you.